Hi guys, it's Heidi. Welcome to Heidi Helps the Philippines Made Easy. I am the co-founder of CNG Immigration and Business Services. We are an expat one-stop shop that basically helps expats with immigration and business services here in the Philippines. Not just that, but we might also be helping you with your driver's license. So, we started this channel in order to disseminate more information out there. You might have seen me in interviews with other YouTubers, but me and my business partner thought, hey, why not give this a go also? So in subscribing to this channel, you'll get step-by-step guide, insider tips, and stories from people who have moved to the Philippines successfully. But before that, how did I get here? How did I start helping expats? When I was a kid, my parents basically owned a bar and a restaurant in this small town in Talibon, Bohol, where a lot of expats basically, gathered. So all my life, I've been exposed to expats coming here in the Philippines. My parents basically had this family friend who had a lot of, he bought a lot of properties and he had property problems. So I remember when I was a kid, he basically, came to me and told me that, I hope when you grow up, you actually set your career in helping out expats settling here in the Philippines. And I didn't really pay much mind to it. But, when I graduated college, I studied political science, major in law and policy studies. And then I went to proceed to law school. I ended up getting hired by a consulting company which did the same thing. They were a Japanese consulting company that assisted Japanese clients here in the Philippines. So many years later, that same family friend that my parents had basically came to me and, I approached him also and told him, I can help you with your properties and settling up your estate here in the Philippines. So I basically did that. And then, as I went on with my job, as many Filipinos and many workers here, I wasn't really paid well. So I decided, I could do this myself. And with the encouragement of my current business partner, we ended up starting CNG Immigration and Business Services, which has helped 500 expats up to date, and we have a 98% client success rating. So 9 years later, having experienced all this, I can definitely tell you that there's still a lot of information out there that are being missed, and I want to help fill in those gaps. So that's why we started Heidi Helps the Philippines Made Easy. And by subscribing to this channel, you'll get step-by-step guides, insider tips, and basically stories from people who have moved here to the Philippines and have done it successfully. So I'll see you guys along the way, and like and subscribe if you're interested in what we have to say. Thank you. Bye.